champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Hello scholars, welcome to our maths lesson. Today we will complete lesson 3 of your grade 3 module 1 workbook. Let's see if you can interpret the meaning of factors as the size of the group or the number of groups. First though, I need you to complete your lesson 3 sprint. Once you're done with that, you can skip counting 20 back and forth. That's in twos up to 20. That's very simple as you see displayed. Now let us solve this problem. How many groups are you seeing on the screen? 3 groups. There are 3 groups. How many in each group? 5. What is the addition sentence? 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. And what is the multiplication sentence? The multiplication sentence is 3 times 5. 3 groups times 5 equals 15. That's simple, isn't it? Now look at this next group. How many groups are you seeing? There are 3 groups. How many in each group? There are 10. 10 times 3 equals 30. Now here's another one. 3 groups of 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. It's the same as saying 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. If you count the number of stars in this one, it's also 12. 3 for the group, 4 for the stars. 3 times 4, 12. Here's another one. How many groups are you seeing? 7 groups. How many stars in each group? 2. What is the multiplication sentence? 7 times 2 equals 14. If you count the number of stars, there are 14 stars. 7 groups. You write it 7. How many in each group? 2. 7 times 2, 14. It's the same as saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 in 7 places, and you have 14. Now, let us solve this application problem. Robbie sees that a carton of eggs shows an array with 2 rows of 6 eggs. What is the total number of eggs in the carton? You can read, draw before you write the answer. 2 rows of 6 eggs is very simple. 2 times 6. And what is 2 times 6? Count the eggs. 6 in 1 row. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 rows of 6 is 2 times 6. And when you solve 2 times 6, you are surely going to have 12 eggs. 12 eggs. If you count all of them, it's 12 you get. Now let us complete this activity. Let's say you have 24 counters. In class, we're going to share all your kids into groups. But let's say you alone now, you have 24 counters. I need you to share the counters into 4 equal groups. Make sure that each group has equal number of counters. Just do it. Alright? Share it into 4 equal groups. Count your groups. Make sure there are 4. Now share your 24 counters into the 4 groups. Take your time. All right, let us say you have shared it now. So I have some questions. How many groups have we made? 4 groups, isn't it? How many counters in each group? I've written out the 4. How many in each group? You write there. 4 times 6. Yes, you've counted 6. And that gives you 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Count all your counters. You see it's 24. These numbers 4 and 6, they are called factors. The number of groups and the number in each group, they are called factors because they can divide 24 without remainder. Now let us draw a number bond. Drop the total to be the bigger one, then the parts, add them, join them to the bigger one to show that you added the smaller circles to get that big one. Now, here's an analysis of our equation. 4 is the number of groups. 6 that you did in that counter is the number of counters in your group. Can you draw 2 groups of 8 and write the equation? 2 groups of 8, 2 times 8, 16. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 3. Now what is 6 groups of 3? Add all together and you have it. Alright, now you will complete these activities for me, your lesson 3 problem set. See how many you get correct. Find the word to get all correct and bring your word to class for marking. Bye.